Today we're going to talk about how to add your QR code to your iPhone. So as a reminder, this is specific to iPhone. If you are an Android user, there'll be another video for you. Now for the purposes of this video, you'll already want to have placed a QR code on a background image. If you need help with doing that, I'll be sure to include links to the video helping you with that below. Here you're looking at my iPhone. You can see I've got a silly picture of my dog as the wallpaper right now. You're going to want to open your photos. Then navigate to the picture that you saved your QR code on. From there, tap that bottom left arrow and find where it says Use as Wallpaper. Now here it may zoom it in, but you can resize it to the size you want and position it to where it looks good. Then when you're done, you can set it as your wallpaper pair or customize your home screen further and you're done.